My name is Moyo District. I work with the Moyo District Farmers Association, a non-governmental membership-based organization in Uganda. Our solution is nature-based climate adaptation options. It's very innovative in three key aspects. Number one, we set up a training program to climate-proof farmers' production. Our farmers underwent rapid climate assessment. This was done to understand the farm level vulnerability to climate risk, and we customized training along that line. Then the second level of innovation is improving efficiency and effectiveness of agricultural extension services by development of mobile app. Then number three is implementation of farmer-managed natural regeneration, which is called FMNR. This is a low-cost, sustainable techniques of restoring a degraded ecosystem or a degraded land. Our project fits into three of these innovations, and it is building resilience of the community by increasing food production as well as diversify livelihood options. Its approach or uniqueness is that it is a farmer or community-centered. We design our project in such a way that communities are not left out. The grant which we received from the UNDP helped us in many ways. Our intervention benefited 1,053 members, and of course it empowered 500 women in climate resilient farming, and it has been very useful in that way.